Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is database normalization. Normalization is a process of converting complex data structure into simple and stable data structure. Normalization forms. There are three basic normalization forms: first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form. First normal form, any repeating group from the table is removed. After applying this rule, each cell of the table has a single value. In second normal form, any partial functional dependency of the relation is removed. In third normal form, any transitive dependency in the relation is removed. So these are three basic normal forms in database normalization. First normal form. A relation is said to be in first normal form if and only if each attribute in each row or each cell of the relation contains only one value. It means that the relation does not contain any repeating group or multi-valued attribute. The attribute that can have more than one value is called multi-valued attribute or repeating group attribute. For example, in this table you can see the phone number of the students are repeating. Roll number 1 have 3 contact numbers, roll number 2 have 2 contact numbers, roll number 3 have 2 contacts numbers, and roll number 4 also have 3 contact numbers. The simplest method to convert this relation into first normal form is by extending the row into multiple rows. This relation is in first normal form because every attribute is single valued for each relation. In this relation, row number 3 have 3 rows and we have created separate rows for each contact number of row number 1. We have created 2 separate rows for row number 2 and 2 separate rows for row number 3 and 3 separate rows for row number 4. So this relation is in first normal form because no value is repeated in this relation. Repeating groups are removed, so this relation is in first normal form. Functional dependency and partial dependency. Functional dependency. Suppose A and B are attributes of a relation R. If we know the value of A, then we can find the value of B. We can say that B is functionally dependent on A. The functional dependency of B on A is represented by an arrow. Student, in student relation, roll number, name, marks and phone number are functionally dependent on roll number. If we know the roll number of a student, we can tell name, marks and phone number of that student. The attribute or group of attribute on the left hand side of the arrow in the functional dependency is called determinant. In the above example, the roll number attribute is determinant. An attribute can also be functionally dependent on two or more attributes instead of a single attribute. Partial dependency. A dependency in which one or more non-key attributes are functionally dependent on a part but not all the primary key is called partial dependency. The primary key for this relation is a composite key, employee ID and course. The non-key attributes name, department and salary are functionally dependent on the part of primary key employee ID but not on course, not on complete primary key. So the partial dependency exists in this relation. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.